Good morning, class. This is Mr. Pizatitis. So, students, today we are going to discuss about noun, numbers, and gender. Already we have discussed the topic of noun, kinds of noun. Okay, but today our topic will be noun, numbers, and genders. So, what is number and how many numbers are there? In this video lecture, what we are going to discuss, number one, about singular noun, okay, then plural noun, okay, then countable noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun, uncountable noun. Then we will think about gender like masculine, feminine, okay. Then after we will discuss about neuter gender, then common gender, common gender. Okay, so these are our topic for today. So let me go with very fast. Number one, singular. So already when you were studying in a 5th class, 6th class, you might have taught very clearly, but according to your syllabus there is only 2 or 3 lines, but I want to explain little bit, but not wholly explain. Okay, तो आपकी क्लास में जो है बिल्कुल थोड़ा ही है, तो इसके बारे में आपने 5th क्लास, 6th क्लास, 7th क्लास में जब पढ़े थे तब विस्तार रूप से पढ़ा होगा. तो अगर नहीं है तो थोड़ा सा आपको प्रीवियस ईयर का जो बुक्स है उसको थोड़ा फॉलो कर ले. ओके, क्योंकि हमें अपना कोर्स भी पूरा करना है. सो नंबर्स, सिंगुलर, okay, what is singular? The noun denotes, the noun denotes to a single person, thing, person, thing, or place is called singular noun. Is called a singular noun. Okay, so that you have to remember in your mind, and that you have to keep in your mind. That's very important. Then we can see here plural noun, singular, the noun that is in one thing. Okay, this is called a singular. Like mango, orange, etc. Okay. Next, plural. Okay, the noun that denotes the noun that denotes to the noun that denotes to more than one, more than one number of thing place or person, whatever. Actually, yes, Ram cannot be said that Rams, okay, but the tiger cannot be place or animals, or okay, place or animals. So that is called what? That is called plural noun. So formation of plural noun, that normally we put formation of plural noun. So normally we put there s or yes. Okay. Some nouns are added by s to change from singular to plural, or some nouns that also there is also add es to change them from singular to plural. Actually, okay, so in this way we have to change from singular to plural. Okay, so इस प्रकार से हम सिंगुलर से प्लूरल को क्या कर सकते हैं, चेंज कर सकते हैं. बट कुछ नाउन ऐसा है जिसको हम क्या नहीं कर सकते, जैसे डियर, फिश, ओके, और शीप, ये सभी को क्या करते हैं, जैसा का वैसा ही रखते हैं. ठीक है, ये सभी को जैसा का वैसा ही रखते हैं. और कुछ नाउन में VES किया जाता है ना. सो ये सभी चीजें छोटे क्लास की है, तो इसलिए मैं ज्यादा और उसको वर्णन नहीं करने जा रहा. सो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन, काउंटेबल. व्हाट इज काउंटेबल? Countable noun. Okay, what is countable noun? The noun that can be counted. That can be counted is called that can be counted is called a countable noun. That can be called a countable noun. Okay, कुछ नाउन ऐसा होता है जिसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं, गिन सकते हैं. ओके, ऐसे नाउन को क्या कहा जाएगा, ऐसे नाउन को काउंटेबल नाउन कहा जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेन, बुक्स, चौक, और क्या कह सकते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें, टेबल, चेयर, है ना. ये सभी चीजों को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, काउंट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन काउंट देम. ओके, then you see there uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. उसके बाद हम देखते हैं कि अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन क्या चीज है? अनकाउंटेबल नाउन that is especially the noun that cannot be counted. The things that cannot be counted, that cannot be counted is called uncountable noun. Okay, it's called uncountable noun. So it is clear now. Okay, it is clear now. What are the things uncountable? Especially abstract nouns cannot be counted. Okay, abstract noun. Abstract noun already I taught you. And some other nouns are there like water, water, some powders, powder, okay, some powder, and also we can sugar, tea, oil, etc. These are cannot be counted. Okay, wheat, rice, all things are cannot be counted. So remember one thing: when you make from singular to plural, only countable noun can be changed. Remember, this is not. Okay. Only what? Only countable noun can be changed. From singular to plural. From singular to plural. That's very simple and that's very interesting. Okay, so that is why it is necessary. Okay, that is why it is necessary. You must have to learn, you must have to remember that. So suppose pen is a countable, that is why we can say pens. Okay, and we cannot say here water or waters. We cannot do it. Okay, oil or oils. When that will be in some container like bottle, like some can, water bottles, because you are telling to the bottle. At the same time, oil packets, okay, oil pouches, like that way we can say that, but we cannot say oils, waters, milks, okay, we cannot say that. So tomorrow we will think about gender, noun, gender. Okay, for today this class is over. Thank you. May God bless you.